How's it going? This is Henley at Direct Liquidation. Today I'm doing an unboxing of one of our top liquidators of home improvement goods from across the nation. So let's jump in. Already first couple items out, we're at about $300 in value. As you can tell, this is great outdoor tool inventory that's definitely going to be in hot commodity as we enter spring. Most of the country I know is under snowstorms, but this is good stuff to start buying now to make sure that you have it ready for your customers when the springtime arrives. As you can tell, we're already at about 4 items out and we're hitting $1,000 in value. You see the pallet in the background, inventory's sticking out of this thing. 5 items out and we're at 800 bucks. This is perfect inventory for our Midwest customers, our Southern customers, everybody looking to buy inventory for the springtime. We got leaf blowers, weed whackers, chainsaws, all a bunch of power tools. Okay. 7 items out and we've cracked $1,000 in inventory. Again, a full truckload of this. You can't imagine how much inventory you're gonna get and the value you're gonna have when putting this inventory on your Facebook groups, in your stores. It's truly gonna be what customers are looking for. Edgers, weed whackers. This is some beautiful stuff. Still in the box even. Customer returns still in the box. That adds value for you when you're wanting to put it back on your resale market. Remember that. Here we go, 10 items out and we cracked $1,500 in value. That's insane. Again, this is Henley Johnson from Direct Liquidation. And as you can see with our general merchandise inventory, you're gonna get a gambit of inventory across the market, from our outdoor tools to our power tools to just general merchandise in general. This is a great truckload to purchase. We have great pricing on these trucks. And the best thing is that we have these truckloads available all across the country. So when you're ready for a truckload of general merchandise inventory from one of the top outdoor retailers in the country, make sure you reach out to me directly or click the links below and we can definitely get you started.